How to see if someone blocked you on Telegram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see if someone blocked you on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app. Open your desired profile and see if their profile picture is showing or not. It is the first indicator that a profile might block you. To confirm, type a message and send it to that chat. If you're seeing a single tick for a long time and there is no reply, it also shows that the person has blocked you. To be more sure, go make a call or video call. Every time when you make a call, if you see a hold fail, not connected, or failed to connect within a few seconds, it means that the contact has blocked you and you are not able to contact them anymore. After that, open a group and add that contact in this group. If you see the contact is online, it is confirmed that the contact has blocked you on Telegram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.